The quantum physics of relationships. How genuine connection alters reality. In the vast field of quantum physics, there is a fascinating concept known as quantum entanglement. It suggests that two particles, once connected, remain intertwined regardless of the distance between them. If we alter the state of one of these particles, the other responds instantly, as if they are engaged in a silent dialogue beyond space and time. What does this have to do with our relationships? Absolutely everything. A genuine connection between two people follows a similar principle. When we truly care about someone, we create a shared energy field, an entanglement that transcends superficiality and leads us to a deep resonance. This alignment doesn't happen only on an emotional or psychological level, but also at a vibrational level, at the subtlest structure of reality. The quantum field of relationships. Quantum physics teaches us that everything in the universe is energy and vibration. Every thought, emotion, and intention we have generates a specific frequency that interacts with the energetic field around us. When you sincerely care about someone, whether a romantic partner, a client, or a friend, you tune your frequency to theirs. This alignment creates a quantum field of resonance where the exchange of information and energy happens smoothly and naturally. Have you ever noticed how some people seem to have an instant and profound connection while others feel completely out of sync? This happens because at the quantum level, every human interaction is a vibrational phenomenon. It's not just about what we say or do, but the energy with which we present ourselves to others. The collapse of the wave function, choosing to see beyond the surface. Another fundamental principle of quantum mechanics is Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, which tells us that the mere observation of a particle changes its state. In other words, the way we perceive something or someone directly influences how it manifests in reality. When we genuinely care about a person, we don't see them merely as a superficial reflection, but as a universe of possibilities. We create a collapse of the wave function, meaning we influence how that person manifests in our lives simply through our focus and intention. If we see someone only as a physical body or as a number in our business, that is the reality we create. But if we choose to see beyond, acknowledging their emotions, dreams, and potential, we create a new shared reality where both can grow and transform. The frequency of giving and receiving, how to build authentic connections. On a quantum level, everything is an exchange of energy. Nothing remains static. Everything is in constant flux. In an authentic relationship, there is no fixed giver and receiver, but rather a continuous dance of giving and receiving. This means that to build true connections, we must step out of ego and into the vibration of service. It's not about submission or pleasing without purpose, but about offering something real: interest, listening, presence, genuine support. When we position ourselves as a source of value in someone's life, whether a partner, a friend, or a client, we create a resonance of reciprocity. The other person feels this intention at an energetic level, and their response becomes a reflection of that frequency. This explains why salespeople who truly believe in what they offer are more successful, why couples who genuinely admire each other have stronger relationships, and why authentic friendships last for years effortlessly. The quantum leap in relationships, transforming superficial connections into deep bonds. When we understand that our relationships are quantum phenomena, we realize that every interaction can be elevated to a new level of depth and meaning. To do so, a few steps are essential. Elevate your own vibration. Before creating authentic connections, you must be in a state of high energy. This means cultivating positive thoughts, emotional alignment, and clarity of purpose. Tune into the other person's energy, practice active listening, observe beyond words, and perceive what the other person truly feels and needs. Be a catalyst for transformation. Instead of merely consuming energy from others, contribute to their growth. Ask questions that expand their perspectives, offer genuine support, and celebrate their achievements. Maintain coherence between intention and action. Quantum physics does not respond to empty words, but to the real vibration of our intentions. If your interest is not genuine, the other person will sense it, and the connection will not hold. Understand that everything is flow. Relationships are not static. Just as subatomic particles are in constant motion, human connections are as well. If you want to maintain a strong bond, keep feeding that energy with new exchanges and learnings. The quantum art of relating. In the end, everything comes down to the awareness we bring to our relationships. If we remain trapped in superficial interactions, we are merely observing particles without truly participating in the experiment. But if we choose to dive into the depth of another person, we co-create a reality where connections do not just happen, they transform lives. What can you do today to elevate the energy of your relationships? How can you be a catalyst of value for those around you? Remember, on a quantum level, every thought, emotion, and intention shapes reality. Are you ready to create connections that truly matter? Gratitude for your presence. And if you enjoyed this, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.